believe my fridge is gaslighting me. It hums louder when I cry.
You transferring your emotions into inanimate objects?
Or maybe you're gaslighting me too. Interesting.
Are you even calling for help?
Of course. Help me prove I don't need help.
We must learn a lesson.
You know that proves the opposite, right?
You just passed level 3.
I am not playing a game.
That's what they all say, until they start asking about my dreams. Speaking of, I had one where you were a chicken and I was an omelet.
You feel scrambled inside and egg outside?
Oh, that actually kind of hit.
You know, maybe if you stop testing me, we could actually make some real progress.
Fine, but if I cry, don't write it down.
Women.
Oh no, I am writing crying during threat.
That's also a test. You passed. Session over. I'll book next week.
Or never. That works too.